So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. And so we stand for the anthems. This is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Yes, Peter, it's a shame it's only a friendly, but then again, that may help us see a more expressive attacking contest. And I'd be prepared to settle for a clash of lesser intensity in favour of lots of flair, skill and plenty of tricks and a few goals. I suspect I've probably overstretched my level of greed here.
And we're underway. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Kalidou Koulibaly. It's easy to just focus on the physical side of his game, Peter, because he's so powerful and quick, making it basically impossible for a forward to get the better of him in a one-on-one situation. But there's more to his game. He reads the play extremely well and rarely gets caught out of position. And for me, just
has a goal! And it's a goal!
What a start! And what a contribution from the main man. I had a feeling he might do something, given his reputation, but to do it like that, absolutely brilliant. I wasn't expecting that.
Whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. Senegal didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? And it's Mane. Here it comes. And through to the goalkeeper. Cisse. Colli, Diatta, Koulibaly, forward it goes, and it's got through, and he's there to cut it out. Cisse, Fadiga. Tries to get it forward quickly. Diouf. Mane. Gorgeous control there. Can he deliver? Good challenge. Excellent challenge. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Diop. Good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Diop. Goes for goal! Really well taken goal.
Senegal produced a lovely sequence of passes there. It's a terrific brand of football to watch, and importantly, it is a strong end product.
Senegal grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Koulibaly is there and he can get that clear. Chance to break. Looking for space out wide. It is a corner, good chance. Cargill hoists it forward. Midway through the first period, and it's looking quite a game here. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. And it's played forward. Diouf out towards the flank. It's a good-looking cross. Throw it. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Out for a throw. Brown. Forward it goes. Gainer. Tries to get it forward quickly. Mane. Just brushed off the ball there. Boyd. Brown. Very nearly half an hour gone here. Hoists it forward. That's sprayed out wide. Whipped in. Goalkeeper's ball. Diop. Kamara. Diop. Dinks one in. Played into the middle. Keeper sees it all the way. Skill Cole. Lobs it in gently. Watson hits one! It's in! And again they hit the front. Was there ever any doubt?
Well, was there ever any doubt? It made it look like he's done it over and over and over again, and he has.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? Fadiga. And it's Mane. Diop. Now the counter. Tries to get it clear. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Brown. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Whitmore. Skill Cole. Foot in. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. No question, that's a foul. Brown. Whistle's gone, that's foul. Diouf. He's left his man. Over to the left. Oh, that is lovely footwork. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Cisse. And it's played forward. Well played, he saw that coming. And here's Mane. Fadiga. Cisse. Plays it out to the flank. First 45 minutes are up. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period. Well, we've had plenty to go at in that first half, Peter, and it's a fragile lead that could quite easily change hands in the second. If you like your football unpredictable, I think you're at the right match.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2-1. That gets things going for the second half. Koulibaly. Colli. And it's got through. It'll be a corner. And it's been taken short. Oh, really good feet from him. And he just whacks it away. Cargill. Skill Cole. Gets it upfield. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. So now we're going to get those changes we have been expecting. He got amongst the goals here, and now he takes his leave.
Look, you can only give your all, and he's delivered in that regard, and I think the manager has probably just spotted now a little tiredness creeping in, and, you know, if that's the case, then, you know, he's doing the right thing.
Substitution on the field. Number 20. Coming on the field is
Brown.
number 23.
Cargill. Whitmore. Played out to the right. Koulibaly tries to clear. Goes for goal! Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
You have to admire commitment like that.
Shoots! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Cargill. To Pena! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Defending of the desperate variety. Hoists it forward. Mane. Forward it goes. Out towards the flank. Mane. Beautifully done. There are a few waiting for it. Cisse. Referee's given a throw. Got a corner here. Played it short. A chance to play it in. And that's been levered clear.
Substitution on the field. Number 7. Coming on to replace him.
Played it short.
Number 17.
Looks to drop one in. Timely intervention.
Senegal are definitely going about this the right way.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Spot on, Peter.
Referee has taken his time, but it is going to be another corner.
Substitutions taking place.
Time for a change in personnel, and it's been taken short. This could spell danger. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Oh, that's a booking, always looked it. Players protesting furiously, but there's little or no sympathy from the ref.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done. Not the worst effort, Peter. It just needed a bit more fine-tuning.
Diatta. Koulibaly plays it forward. Tries to get it forward quickly. Gets wrestled off the ball. Well, that's pretty clear. It is a foul. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
Substitution.
It was a sterling effort, and at least he kept it on target. It was worth a go.
They've played it short. Knocks it away. Skill Cole. That's great strength on the ball. Oh, that's neat. Kamara drives it forward. Oh, they can break here. Collie. Diouf. And it's Gay. Out to the right. Kamara. Collie. Diop. Fadiga. Chance to cross here. And that's been well dealt with. Oh, that is asking for trouble.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Brown tries to locate someone up front. Diatta tries to get it forward quickly. He's made sure that that won't get through. Plays it out to the wing. They get a throw in. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Substitution on the field. Number 11. Coming on the field is...
Now it's Mane. He could be in here. Oh, that's a fine challenge. Cleared without complication.
Senegal are actually displaying tremendous fighting spirit. There's a real belief that they can still have a say.
Skill Cole. De La Peña plays it out to the flank. It's got through to him.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Fadiga. Needs a quality cross. Finds himself eased off the ball.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
It's on the end of a chance! Good challenge, he just stood firm.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Cuts it out.
Going nowhere fast is about the only way I can describe this. They've just got to be busier.
Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Almost there, and the players can feel it. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Juve! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Gone a long way up and away. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Gay. Shelton. Could move up a gear here. Skill Cole. More than happy to take the muscular approach. And time is up. Whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch, just one between them. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Well, if ever there was a good tone setter for a football match, that was it. First minutes, first shot, first goal.